Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Solana from Uphold to KuCoin in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently. Solana is one of the fastest growing blockchains, and transferring it between exchanges like Uphold and KuCoin can help you take advantage of better trading opportunities. Don't worry if you're new to this, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can do it with confidence. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and KuCoin. Start by logging into your Uphold account. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet section and select Solana from your list of assets. You'll see your Solana balance there. Double check that you have enough to cover any transaction fees. Next, head over to your KuCoin account and go to the deposit section. For Solana, you'll need to choose the Solana network, as it's essential to match the network types to avoid any issues. Copy the wallet address provided by KuCoin. This is crucial, so don't skip this step. Now, go back to Uphold, and in the Solana wallet, look for the Withdraw or Send option. Paste the KuCoin wallet address into the recipient field, enter the amount of Solana you want to send, and review the transaction details carefully. Before you hit Confirm, take a moment to check for any network fees and ensure the address is correct. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Once you're ready, confirm the transfer. You'll get a confirmation notification, and it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the Solana to appear in your KuCoin wallet, depending on network congestion. A few quick tips. Always use the exact network specified, like Solana's own blockchain, to prevent funds from getting lost. Keep an eye on gas fees, as they can vary. And remember, security is key. Enable two-factor authentication on both platforms. There you have it. You've successfully sent Solana from Uphold to KuCoin. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop any questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.